Sarili mong bahay pero parang naka-staycation ka araw-araw? With stunning view of Mount Pakiling just few minutes away at SM and SNR. Malapit sa Santo Tomas exit and one ride away sa sakay ng bus going to Manila. OFW ka man o nandito sa Pinas, pwede ka na magkabahay. Simulan na natin today. This is Mia Model Unit, provision of one carport, fully finished turnover, may 2 toilet and bath and 2 bedroom, may complete amenities gaya ng clubhouse, swimming pool, basketball court, walking trails, children's playground, chapel, and Blue Lagoon na kagaya ng sa Nuvali. With flexible payment options available in bank and Pag-ibig financing. Hindi lahat ng bahay ganito katibay. This home is built with 5,000 PSI precast walls, moisture and noise resistant, and a complete roof ready for your future garden or solar setup.
Ready ka na bang lumipat sa sarili mong bahay at di ka na uupa habang buhay? Hi, I'm Manalyn of Your Dream Home Vibes and this is my partner.
I am Kuya Ian, accredited salesperson under Yeslang Realty. Kung nagustuhan nyo ang aming house tour, just call or message your Dream Home by page for free rating and fast approval.